Okay, today we'll discuss short-run equilibrium output or determination of equilibrium by algebraic method. So let us see how can we arrive to the equilibrium level of income or equilibrium level of output by algebraic method. So we are knowing this that economy can attain equilibrium at a point where aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. At equilibrium, you are knowing that at equilibrium this aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, or we can write aggregate supply is equal to aggregate demand. Aggregate supply, you are knowing this AS is equal to national income. Aggregate supply is always equal to the production of goods and services. So at the place of AS we can write Y. Then AD means aggregate demand. Aggregate demand is the sum of consumption demand and investment demand, the demand for the goods and services which are made into the economy either by household or by the firms for either for consumption or for investment. So we can write C plus I. You are knowing this C means consumption, I means investment. This is autonomous investment. We can write I bar also. We can write C. You are knowing C can be C. The formula of consumption is C intercept plus By. So can we write? So we can write C intercept plus By plus I intercept. This is Y. Let us derive this formula. So we can write Y minus By is equal to C intercept plus I intercept. Or with this we can simplify 1 minus B. Y is equal to C intercept plus I intercept. Therefore, this Y can be written C intercept plus I intercept 1 minus B. Let us see consumption and investment. This is autonomous expenditure. So, autonomous expenditure divided by 1 minus B. B means marginal propensity to consume. And this Y star we can say here, let us see here, Y star is the equilibrium level of income. So we have derived this formula, equilibrium level of income. This can also be written, let us see, this Y can also be written, Y star can be written, this autonomous expenditure, this can be written A star, autonomous expenditure, divided by 1 minus B. So this can be written like this also. So let us do some numerical question, because in the CBSE examination, numerical questions are asked in the examination based on this. Let us take one numerical question and let us solve that question. If suppose if question number one is given, if C is given 200 plus 0.9 Y and I is given, investment is given rupees 3000 crores, then calculate the equilibrium level of national income, the equilibrium level of national income. Let us see how to calculate this. Solution formula, we have already seen this formula. Y star is the equilibrium level of national income is equal to C intercept plus I intercept divided by 1 minus B. Here let us see what are the things given. Here? C here, this is C intercept means autonomous consumption is given 200. Then B is given 0.9 and this is 0.9 and this is I is given rupees 3000 crores. So this is given. We can put here simply into the formula and we are knowing Y star means national income is equal to C intercept plus I intercept divided by 1 minus B. Let us put in this formula. C intercept is given how much? 200 and plus investment is given, autonomous investment is given 3000 rupees and this is given 1 minus B is given 0.9. 0.9 means 90% of the money goes for consumption. So let us see this 3,200 and this is 1 minus 0.9, this will be 0.1. We can simplify this. Let us see how can we simplify 3200 divided by this 100, this 1 upon 10. And we can write, let us see, 3200, this 10 will go up and this divided by 1. This is 3000, 32,000. So 32,000 rupees. And this 32,000 rupees is the national income. So equilibrium level of national income, hence equilibrium level of national income is rupees 3,000 or 32,000. So this 32,000 is the national income. Let us take another numerical question and let us solve this question. These are the questions asked in the board examination. Let us take another numerical question, question number 2. Suppose this is question number 1. Question number 2 we can take. Question number 2, we have taken a two-sector economy. A two-sector economy is provided with the information on consumption and investment as follows. C is given 100 plus 0.5 y. I is given, investment is given 500. Then what is equilibrium level of income? Question is, what is the equilibrium level of income? So this is the questioning, and we have to calculate what is the equilibrium level of income. So we can calculate what is the equilibrium level of income. Let us calculate the equilibrium level of income. So we have to see what are the things given in the solution. What are the things given here? C bar is already given, and this is 100. This is C, autonomous consumption 100. B is given 0.5. I is given 500. So let us see equilibrium level of output or the equilibrium level of income. We can put in this formula. Formula you are knowing. We have just derived y is equal to C intercept plus I intercept divided by 1 minus B. So we can put it here. This is 100. This is 500. And this is 1 minus 0.5. We can simplify. The up is given. This is 600. This is 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 means 0.5. We can simplify 600. This is 5 divided by 10. Let us see, we can write 600 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. So how much it will be? So 5 to the 10. So let us see how much it will be. 1200. So this 1200 is the, we can say, equilibrium level of income. Hence, we can write equilibrium level of income in the economy is equal to rupees 1200. So I think this is clear to all of you how to derive the equilibrium level of income with this algebraic method and how to solve the numerical question. So in the examination, what happens sometime 1 minus b is not given. This b is not given. Marginal propensity to save is given. So one concept you are knowing, this MPC plus MPS is always equal to 1. This is denoted by B. So let us see this MP S is also equal to 1 minus MPC. It means 1 minus B is also equal to marginal propensity to save. So sometime in the examination, marginal propensity to save is given and you are asked to calculate the equilibrium level of income. I think it's clear to all of you. Okay, thank you. Thank you.